slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Michael with RV Stuff back here once again. And today, as you can see, we're going to be taking a look at another pair of Balenciaga Triple S's. Super popular shoe on my channel. I know you guys like these videos specifically. These are a UA or rep pair for you guys new to the channel. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. A lot of heat on the way. And yeah, man, educational videos, plugs, all that sort of stuff. If you're new and you like what you see, you know, hit that subscribe. Also, drop a like on the video, guys. Turn on notifications. You know what to do. And follow that Instagram link will be in the description if you haven't already done so. So as you can see, the setup I got here is a little bit unconventional with how I start my videos, just because these shoes are so damn big, and I had to position the box in a way that I could open it with one hand. But yeah, so shipping with YesKicks is about a week. These are from YesKicks. One of my good plugs, honestly. Like, they provide honestly pretty good quality, I'd say. I haven't been let down too much at all. Great prices. These were only $150. So if you're looking to not break the bank with Balenciagas, even with UA pairs, I know some UAs go for $300 or something. These are a good option. But yeah, with all that being said, let's get this ugly setup out of the way. Let's get right into it. Before I get into everything, this is how you're going to contact them. So website's YesKicks.cn, email is service@RepKicks.cn, and WeChat is RepKicks. So that's how you're going to want to contact them if you have any questions. If you want to, you know, buy, I don't advise anyone to buy anything, just because at the end of the day, yeah, it's like kind of a legal market, I guess. I don't really know. But yeah, enough of that. You guys know, if you guys want to get swagged on a budget, you guys know where to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's just get right into it. Shit, I think I covered everything, right? Like, shipping is about a week. Yeah, more or less everything. So this is a box that comes in. There's the top. You got that nice Balenciaga popping out of there. On the top, pretty simple box, just white. Nothing else on the top, so I'm just gonna throw that to the side, man. The box is huge on this bitch. On the side, you got this Sneaker Test S Goma. I guess that's a size 43. Has like some, I think this is Chinese. I'm not 100% sure. Let me just get that off if possible. That's annoying. I think it's just gonna rip. Yeah, it's just gonna rip. Fuck that up all the way. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Anyways, inside the box is not really a whole lot of stuff. It's just that paper. Then you get a Balenciaga dust bag right here to put your shoes in if you do want to. Got Balenciaga on that. And then you do have another pair of laces, which I personally think these laces look better than the ones that come in. They're thicker. They just have some more design on them. And yeah, so you get an extra pair of laces. And you do get this like Balenciaga, like, I don't know, care manual, I guess. I don't know, but you do get it. So that's all you get in the box. Pretty simple stuff. Throw that to the side real quick and finally take a look at the shoes in better lighting, because that box was taking up so much space, man. Holy. So let's just get right into it. So these are the shoes. Let's see. I haven't really taken a huge look at them, but from what I can see, they look pretty good. Yeah, they look pretty good. So let's take a look at the left shoe first. There you go. Got Balenciaga right there on the little tag. This is like kind of like mesh. Not really, but I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain what material it is. It's kind of like a jacket would be, sort of. Same with the burgundy right here on the front. Then you got some suede all up here, all up here. Yeah, you guys can see all the different materials and stuff. Then of course you'd have the Triple S sole. Pretty, you know, common these days, putting it lightly. So got Balenciaga on the bottom. That's one layer of the sole. Then you have these big like pads, I guess. They're, holy fuck, I forgot how weird this shoe looks. This is for a friend, by the way, it's not for me. So these do fit true to size though, but you can wear them a size down. It'll just be a little bit uncomfortable. So yeah, so there you can take a look at the sole. You know, not much in terms of glue marks. There are a little bit here and there, but then again, this is a pretty cheap UA pair of Triple S, so you know, I'm not disappointed by any means. So there you go. Quick like look around. I know this video, just because these shoes are so big, it's just not going to be the best in general. But you can see that mesh on the front. Not really mesh, but yeah, I don't really know what to call this. Maybe neoprene? No, probably not. A little bit of a widow's peak here. There's the laces it comes with. Again, see, these laces are kind of weird looking. I don't really know how hard I mess with these compared to the other ones. One thing I will note is on the lace thing here, you can see how like it kind of was stitched weird, so it's like peeking out. But it's no big deal, like no one's really gonna pay attention to that. So, and these are handmade, I believe, so you know, could happen on a retail pair. On the tongue, this is what you get on the tongue. It's literally a sizing thing. Triple S, Europe 43, US 10. Yeah, so you just get sizing information, whereas like, you know, it'd usually be on the inside, and it is on the inside. I lied. So there's that too, it's on the inside as well. It says Balenciaga.com. Everything looks pretty good. Pretty good with that. Yeah. Got this white around on the sock liner. Insole, it just says Balenciaga. So nothing crazy there. These are, I believe, like the newer version. So I think these are the second Triple S's or third. I'm not sure. But you can see on the back, has the double B's and printed in there. It's not printed, but it's like pressed into it, pressed into the leather, and then more suede underneath. So just a tiny little bit of shiny leather right there. These shoes kind of smell too, a little bit like glue-ish. You know that moment when you pop open a bottle of Smirnoff or something? That's the type of shit it smells like. It'll eventually wear out as you wear them, but yeah, thought I'd let you guys know anyways. So different layers of the sole. You can see some are more rubbery than others, like this one, a little bit more rubbery. This is pretty rubbery too. Yeah, pretty good sole all in all. Paint job doesn't look bad at all. So yeah, guys, that's the left shoe. Showed you a little bit of the right, but here's the right shoe as well. Got the Balenciaga right there. Double B's on the back. And yeah, you guys know what's popping with these. Pretty simple stuff. So if you guys do want to pick up a pair of Triple S's and you're looking for a plug that's decently priced, I'd say YesKicks is pretty viable in terms of your options. Comes with a box, comes with everything else. Yeah, I'd say I'd recommend them if you're going that route. I mean, I can't recommend any site that I review in general. I'm just showing you guys what I get, but if you're going that route, I'd say YesKicks isn't a bad option for that. So with all that being said, pretty simple shoe, not much to go over. It's like 2-3 tone. It's not a lot of detail, nice and simple. At the end of the day, it's not really simple because it's Triple S and it looks like this, but you guys know what I'm saying. So with all that being said, more heat on the way. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Hopefully you're having an awesome day. And if I missed anything, hit me on IG. You guys know where to find the link for that in the description. Follow me. You can DM me. My DMs are open. I always accept requests. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. More heat on the way. Gonna cop a couple more kicks from YesKicks in a little bit as well. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have an awesome day. Peace.